Welcome to my cooking tutorial. Let's make Hawaiian-inspired meatballs, the perfect hors d'oeuvre for your next gathering. We'll need pineapples, Hawaiian BBQ sauce, and allspice to get us started. Add your meatballs to a bowl. Now we're going to add some pineapple juice. Next, it's time for the allspice. Add that into your Hawaiian BBQ sauce. And we're going to add a pinch or two of sugar. Time to stir. We're adding Italian seasoning and garlic powder. Stir that in. And now for the garlic powder. And let's stir that in as well. Use your fork and poke tiny holes into the meatballs. This will allow for the flavor to seep through. Add a little more seasoning. Another pinch of sugar. And stir everything in. Mix it in. Now it's time to add the barbecue sauce. Let's mix everything in really well. Now let's place our pineapples into our baking pan. Add your meatballs. Add a few cubes of butter just to make sure that all of the seasoning gets through to everything once we heat this in the oven. And out the oven we have it. Add a little more Italian seasoning. Now we are going to coat the meatballs with our extra barbecue sauce. After that, we're going to place it into the oven and let that brown nicely on top. And there it is, looking so delicious. Your guests will absolutely love your Hawaiian-inspired meatball hors d'oeuvre.